Be very welcome. And getting around wasn't a challenge anymore? Imagine each path, whether it's sand, snow, or sloping, as part of your daily adventures. With a heavy-duty mobility scooter, you get more than one way to move. You gain the freedom to live more independently. No more worries about uneven sidewalks or short trips. With a powerful 500W engine and all-terrain tires, this scooter provides smooth riding on any surface. You can travel up to 31 miles on a single charge at a speed of 10 miles per hour, allowing freedom to visit parks, meet friends, or shop. Dual headlights and aero lights ensure safety when driving at night. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, the model is perfect for people of different sizes and lifestyles, ensuring that everyone can benefit from the freedom and comfort it offers. Electromagnetic brakes ensure safety even on descents, keeping you in full control. The battery and engine climb slopes of 20 degrees effortlessly, while grip tires work well in both city and country. Enjoy absolute comfort wherever you go, thanks to the 360-degree swivel seat and adjustable backrest. Say goodbye to neck and back pain. Worried about the size of the model and whether it will fit into your daily routine? Don't worry. Compact design and rotating seat make it easy to board and disembark in tight spaces. And with the remote on-off function, you'll have a scooter that is practical and easy to store. What about safety in busy streets? With powerful brakes, signal lights, and bright headlights, you'll always be visible and in control no matter where you go. This scooter is not just about mobility, it's about regaining your independence, whether for everyday tasks or those rides that fill you with life. Don't let anything stop you. Order your heavy-duty mobility scooter today. We leave the link in the description, so you buy on the platform safe and reliable. Before you check out on the platform, add to cart to activate the lowest value of the day. And rediscover the joy of living independently. And if you like this review, sign up for our channel for more product reviews and tips to stay active and get the most out of your life.